Welcome to our highway design masterclass. So in this module, I want to quickly show you three ways you can create your horizontal alignment. I'm creating this model because some of my students are still having some difficulty to identify how you can create your alignment from objects, and how you can also create your alignment from alignment creation tools, option 1 and option 2. So I just want to create this very video so that I can demonstrate the three ways that you can create your horizontal alignment. So we are going to start with create alignment from object. So let's isolate our center line. So now to create alignment from object, the first thing you do is to go to polyline. So I want to pick the polyline. I will not really so I will just stop it somewhere here. Okay. So I will go to alignment. From alignment, I will click on create alignment from object. Create alignment from object. Then I will click here. So when I click here, I press on enter, press on enter again. Then I will define my alignment. Let me just say road one alignment. Then I will come to design criteria. I'm going to use 60 kilometers per hour. Then I'll click on use criteria. Then every other thing remain the same. Now click on OK. Now the reason why it is showing this error is because the radius here is not does not meet the minimum requirement. Radius here doesn't meet the minimum requirement. So what I will do, I will click here. When I click, I will right click, go to edit alignment label. Then I will add station. Then edit. Okay, um, let me change this. Let me change this. Then so I might not even need to go through this because we have already done it. So there is no point. Let me just show you the most important thing that matters. So then let me also add the geometry point. So I will add the geometry point. Add the geometry point. Apply. Apply. So coming here, so what I will do here is that I will click here, then try and adjust this. And while I'm adjusting, I'm checking. So that one is okay. So I will also come to this one, click on this, and also adjust. Then I will come to this, adjust this also. Now because of the closeness, this one cannot move again. So the let's add label to it. Let's see. Um, let's use multiple label. So you can see here that the radius here is 121. This one is 227. Sorry, the radius here is, yes, 121. This one here is 272. This one here is 134. 134. 134. So we can adjust this. So immediately it is okay. You see that the error will disappear. But this one here is 245. So you can adjust it until it meets the minimum requirement. So let me see. Let me adjust this a little bit. Let me adjust this a little bit. Um, okay. So I think this one is okay now. So the error has disappeared. The error has disappeared. So that is how you can use the first option, create alignment from objects. Create alignment from objects. So let's use the second option, which is create alignment from alignment creation tools. So, so let's go to the second option. So what I will do here, I will delete this. I'll delete what I have done. So we want to use the second option. Okay, so the second option, so you click on alignment, click on click on alignment creation tools. Okay, so we are going to define our alignment again. So let's still maintain road 1 alignment. So we go to this. So we are still going to maintain the 60 kilometer per hour. So we are using design criteria, using use criteria based design. So we uncheck this. We click on OK. So when you click on OK, this dialog box will pop up. Now here we are going to set the curve. Here we are setting our curve because we want to use tangent with curve. Now let me now in option 1, we are using option 1, we are using tangent with curve. Tangent with curve. So that is for this option here. Okay, so we have to take note of this tangent with curve for this option 1. Okay, So here we want to set our curve parameters. Now, what is guiding us here? What is guiding us here is for the spiral. So let's go to the code. Let's okay. Now, for the maximum radius for use in spiral transition curve. So the design speed kilometer per hour, then maximum radius. So under 60 we have 210. Under 60 we have 210. Then 70 we have 290, 80 we have 380. So we come back here. We come back here. We are using 210. We are using 210. This one also. We are using 210. So we click on OK. Then so here we now click on tangent with curve. So we have already clicked on that. So we start our drawing. So this one will apply the curve simultaneously while you are drawing. Apply the curve. So let me also stop it here. So let me stop it there. So you can see, you can now see. Okay, so let's edit it. Let me edit. Okay, so let me add the main station. So let's edit it. So I'm gonna work on this. Okay, let me forget about that so it will not waste our time. You know how to edit that. You know how to. So let me add the geometry point. Add the geometry point. Click on apply. Click on this. Okay, so we add the label. So let's add label, curve label. So let's use the multiple segment. Use multiple segment. Multiple segment. Multiple segment. Now, when you look at this, under 60, you see that the minimum radius with maximum super elevation of 6% is 123 under the design speed of 60 meter per hour, 60 kilometer per hour. So you now see here. So when you look at this, the radius here is about 135. This one is also 135. This one is also 135. This one is 135. So if you want to adjust this curve, you can go ahead and adjust it. For example, if you want to remove the curve here, you can remove this curve from this point. But you have to look at it. Is there any need for me to remove this curve? Is there any need for me to remove this curve here? So you look at it. It's okay. So we can remove that curve. So we simply click here. So when we click at that point and check it out, no, I don't think there was need for us to remove that curve. So let's allow that curve to still remain. Okay. So we need that curve. We need this curve. So that is for this one using tangent with curve. Now let's go to the third option, which is still under alignment creation tools, option 2. Option 2. Option 2. This one will be option 2, which has to do with okay, option 2, line and I think free. Let's look at. So for option 2, for the last option, so I will delete this, delete that. So we go back to the home tab, go back. So let's create our alignment. So we click on the alignment, click on alignment creation tool. So we can still maintain this. So here we still maintain the 60. Use this. So we select this 6. Sorry, we didn't select the other one. So the maximum super elevation 6%. So you click on OK. Okay. So now in this one we are going to use fixed line and free curve fillet. Fixed line and free curve fillet. So we are going to use fixed line and free curve fillet. Free curve fillet and free curve fillets. We have already demonstrated this one, but let me still do it so that this will be complete. So we are going to pick a line. So I'm picking a line here, picking a line. So I will pick another line, look at the straight line. Look at the straight line. Maybe I will stop it here. Okay. So I will go to curve. Click on free curve fillet between two entities. Click on it. Click on this one. Click on the second one. And it says less than 180. So I will click on it. Then I will type, let me type 150. Then escape it. Escape it. Then let me do once more. Let me pick another line here. Let me just pick this line here and maybe stop there. Then go back to the curve. Click on the curve. Click here. Click here. Then maybe this one I can say 200. 200. So we have this curve now. Now, this one is not indicating any error. It's not also indicating any error. Do you know the reason why it's not indicating error? Let's go back to, let's go back here. For 60, the minimum radius is 1, 2, 3, 123. That is the minimum radius, 123. For 60, using super elevation of 6%. So we have this, the minimum radius, while the maximum radius is about 210. That is for the, yes, the maximum radius is about 210. So we go back. We can add our curve information. Just come to here, click on add label, click on alignment, click on multiple, click on this. So you now see all this will come out. So from there you can work on, you can proceed with your design. So I wanted to clarify this so that you can know the difference between using create alignment from objects and create alignment from alignment creation tools. Option 1, using tangent with curve, and then option 2, using fixed line and free curve. So that is the three methods that you can use. So anyone that is confident for you, you can use it to create your horizontal alignment. So I believe that you have learned something. So thank you very much. See you in our next module. Bye.